Have you ever considered the fact that different people process information in different ways? You may have heard the model before: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. So if you think about the ways that people process information, people that are very visual are the kind of people that if you present things in a very visual way, they're likely to respond to it an awful lot better. They're going to process that information a lot quicker. People that are very auditory are the kind of people that need to have things explained and talked through to them. Present something that's only visual to somebody that's kinesthetic, and you're going to have a problem, because people that are kinesthetic are the kind of people that need to experience it. They need to get their hand on whatever it is that you're talking about, and they need to actually try it out and experiment with it. Understanding the different ways that people process information can actually help you in terms of presenting information to them in the right way. Have you ever noticed that you may be sat at a restaurant and you've got a menu in front of you, and somebody may look at the menu and they'll look at the sirloin steak, and some people will look at the text on that menu saying, wow, that steak looks great. Well, why are they using the phrase looks great? Well, it may give you an indication as to the way that they're processing the information, because as they read the text and say sirloin steak with chunky chips and peppercorn sauce, they're picturing it in their mind, and that's how they're processing the information. Other people may look at that same menu and think, wow, that steak sounds great. Well, what kind of noise does a steak make? Have you ever noticed that other people may look at that same menu and say, oh, you know what, I feel like a good steak today? It's not guaranteed, but the language that people use can often give you an indication as to the way that they process the information. So if you present information in a way that's a lot more consistent with their preference to processing information, you're a lot more likely to get a much better response. So have a think about the people that you have to present information to. Are they visual? Are they auditory? Are they kinesthetic? How can you change and alter the way that you're presenting information in order to get a much better response? Think about this when you're presenting to people, and you'll do a lot better.